Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to go down to Spokane, Washington and get a Loco Moco, a wonderful Hawaiian hangover dish. First up, to go with our Loco Moco, I'm going to make a Coco Loco. I'm getting this from my trusty bartender's guide. So I have my cocktail shaker full of ice. It calls for 1 ounce of dark rum. I'm just going to substitute with some Captain Morgan spiced rum. And then 1 ounce of light rum. A half ounce of coconut cream. A half ounce of vodka. A half ounce of creme de banana. A half ounce of pineapple juice. This is a lot like a kahiki kai I had at Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas. And then a half ounce of simple syrup. And a half ounce of pineapple juice. And we'll give that a shaky. And I got a nice hurricane glass as my neighbor starts up his lawnmower. And that's a Coco Loco. Coming up next, we're going down to Spokane, Washington. Thanks for watching another edition at Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Well, Mookie says we should quote the band Weezer. So you can't knock the hustle. Leave a 5-star review and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.